Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hello guys, I've got a gist for you, and it's a good one at that. And it's a good news because it is what everybody could ever pray for or wish for. And the news this time around is about Zazu 8 singer Habib Okikiola, popularly known as Portable, has just bought a car for his father. Yes, he purchased a blue-colored Toyota car driven in the company of his team to their family house to surprise his dad. Oh my goodness. The street rave took to his Instagram page today to share the video of him presenting the car to his father. After the visibly excited dad inspected the car, Portable, now, your own Portable, our home Portable, formally introduced him to his fans in his mother language and pidgin. He said, he's never short of words. He said, oh yeah, now look at Zazu daddy. Zazu has bought a car for his father. You see? Also, don't let anyone tell you before you do. Also, so you can also buy cars for your mother and father. This is small. It is the least you would buy. You will buy it yourself. He added, he said, believe in yourself. I believe in God, my phone, and sub. Any disappointment is a blessing. Biza in Biza in Zazu voice. You can listen to it yourself. And I say congratulations to Zazu father, Mr. Okikiola. I say congratulations to you, sir. Many more of it. And many more of it to us, your fans too. We love you. Congratulations, Dad. You get more of it in Jesus.